Don't give up on God. You may be going through a difficult season right now, but remember, God has not forgotten you. Keep praying, keep believing, and keep moving forward, even when you cannot see a way out. Trust that God is working behind the scenes. Your tears, your struggles, and your prayers are not wasted. Sometimes, God allows you to wait because He is preparing something greater than what you asked for. So don't let your current situation make you lose faith. Keep trusting Him. Keep holding on. Your story is not over yet. The answer may come when you least expect it. Your breakthrough is coming, and one day your pain will become your testimony.